Hello viewers, we are here today to find out what people think about this article which came out in Street Times. By the way, Street Times is by M1 Holdings, very cheap on television. Street Times is $1. Okay, so we are going to find out from some people what they think about love and they think love is in the air. Okay, now we are going to find some people to see. Got one person. Let's go. Hello, auntie. You got here Street Time before or not?
What's Street Time?
Street Time is Street Time Little Sister 20 cent only by M1 one. But don't go test Street Time will get one. Okay, now the thing is we're going to talk about love and dating. Okay, what do you think about love and dating?
Oh, love and dating.
You got son who got girlfriend? Oh, the son got girlfriend actually.
No lah, don't have girlfriend.
But if he got girlfriend, how is he?
Don't mind one.
Yeah, I have some cheese.
Apa lah? Apa eh? See, are you? Let me go home.
Oh, okay, that was actually, I don't know what, I guess she's very open after all. Okay, now let's interview the girlfriend of the guy who got him beaten, okay? Let's go. Hello babe, just now your boyfriend cannot beat
Yeah, very sad.
Okay, say yeah, you're smiling, you don't look sad. You many like him, right? No, many like him, right? Okay, I want to ask you, what do you think about love and dating?
I don't know leh.
You don't know? Between guys,
Guys.
You know the guy do thing one.
Gay
Yeah.
lah.
That's right. Between people who like each other, homosexuals, what do you think about that?
I think
You don't know anything, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
What do you think about the guy with the...
where?
Where got?
The guy over there, the guy
Oh,
hungry
okay.
one.
Aiyo. Really very gay.
How is it? Nice or not? Not nice, right? So do you think we should approve the gay law?
No,
Okay,
I
we
think
should
the
ban it,
government,
right?
yeah.
Okay, thank you very
Government did a
much.
good job. Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
So that's it, folks. You have it. You have the verdict from the people. Signing off. What's my name again? Signing off. Presenter Firoz lah. Ciao.